Hello everyone, today I'm going to make another customized jewelry order and I'm glad to share with you again. So this customer, he would like to have a 6mm white Howlite and Malachite necklace with a total length of 18 inches and then add some silver beads similar to one of my designs in Gem and Silver store. Here are the materials: 6mm white Howlite, and then 12 beads of top quality malachite, and then 6 of this silver barrel beads, and 1 lobster clasp, and then 2 of the 4mm spacer beads. And of course, positioning beads. My habit is to use the silver polishing cloth to wipe all the silver parts before I make jewelry. So it's just my habit. You can do it after it's done. First, get a 20-inch length of wire and then thread the beads with the design in the middle part of the necklace. The original design is made with 4mm onyx, but now we are using 6mm beads, so I think I will change a little bit. Like it should be 8 beads between the malachite. Now I will try 6 beads instead of 8 because the beads are bigger. Okay. See how it looks? If it doesn't look good, and then I will use 8 beads. I think 6 beads looks cool. The center section is done. Now thread the remaining part of the white Howlite beads. Measure the length of the necklace. The total length of this necklace is 18 inches, so leave 1 inch for the clasp and the beads. And here's the little secret of mine. I cut the soft ruler to 30 inches and taped it to my work table, so it's easy to measure when I make necklaces. Now thread the spacer beads and the positioning beads on each side of the wire. Okay. Thread the clasp. And the steel wire at this end passes through the positioning beads. And then clamp okay, and cut. You see the wire here? Hide it in this silver bead. Okay, use the same way on this side. See, it becomes like this. Okay. cut. You see the wire end here, okay? Hide it in the silver bead this time, and then clamp. Adjust it a little bit. Make sure it's in the right position and clamp. Okay, this side, clamp again. Okay, after the necklace is finished, let's test whether it's secure. Alright, what do you think? The combination of green and white gives me a refreshing feel. I'm going to send this picture to my customer. I believe he will love it. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.